In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to approve Mailerlite account. To get started, open your browser and go to Mailerlite, log in to your Mailerlite account using your usual sign-in details. Once you are inside, you will land on your dashboard. This is where Mailerlite shows setup tasks and important account notices. Next, look for the button that says Complete Profile. It is typically visible right on the dashboard, since Mailerlite uses it to guide you through the approval and verification process. Click Complete Profile to open the profile setup area. Now you will enter your physical business address. This is a required part of email marketing compliance, and it is tied to anti-spam laws. Mailerlite asks for a real, physical mailing address because legitimate email senders must provide an address that recipients can reference. This also helps protect deliverability and keeps the platform trustworthy for everyone. When you type in your address, take your time and make sure it is accurate and complete. Use the full street address along with any suite or unit number if that applies, then include the city, state, or region, postal code, and country. If you are working from home or do not have a separate office, you can use a home address, as long as it is a valid physical location and not a post office box. Make sure the address matches how you would normally write it on official business documents, since consistency can help avoid delays later. After you have entered your physical business address, review it one more time for typos. Small mistakes like a missing number or an incorrect postal code can create problems during review or when Mailerlite generates your email footer details. Finally, click Save Settings. This saves your profile information and completes this part of the approval process. If you see a confirmation message, that indicates your settings were saved successfully. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.